Let's take a look at how to log into Zoom in the classrooms on the built-in Zoom PC. First, we need to log into the PC. Do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Delete all at the same time, dismissing this notice, and then entering your normal login credentials. Then dismiss one more notice. Okay, after a moment, you'll be at the desktop. Zoom should then open automatically, or you can always open it using the desktop shortcut. If you see a window like this, then you'll want to log into Zoom so you can see all of your scheduled meetings. Start by clicking the Sign In button. Then click Sign In with SSO, which stands for Single Sign-On. It will then ask for which domain to log into. UMISH should be pre-filled in here, otherwise type it in and click Continue. You can now log in using your usual credentials. Now it will likely ask if you mean to switch apps. Just click Yes. This will allow it to jump back to Zoom and complete the sign-in. You can now close this browser window to get it out of the way. Now you can see we are fully logged into Zoom. I can now click to see my scheduled meetings and start the one that my students are expecting to join me in. I'll go ahead and use computer audio, and there we go. The students can now see and hear me. If for some reason you don't see the room camera, open this little arrow menu next to the video camera to make sure Classroom Camera is selected. Finally, if you plan to show content on the projector, you can use Zoom's screen sharing feature to send the projector feed. To do this, click the Screen Share button, click the Advanced tab, and select Content from Second Camera. From this point on, you can use the room as you always have. You can select the source to show on the projector using the touch panel on the lectern, and that will automatically be sent to the remote students as well. Remember that for the best audio quality, use the wireless microphone provided in the room. When finished, click to stop sharing, then to end the meeting, and finally to log out of the PC by going to the Start menu and choosing Log Off. If you have any questions, please contact CAEN at umish.edu anytime. Thanks.